Hello everyone and welcome to my presentation. My name is Abdul Qadir and I am a mechanical engineer graduate. I'm really passionate about tech and software engineering. I have always planned to learn web development at some point in my life because I believe in the positive impact of technology on our lives. And here I am now showing what I have learned so far in these 6 months bootcamp. Coady is one of the best bootcamps that put me on the right path and opened for me the door to the world of web development. Coady's bootcamp was an exciting adventure that helped me not only in developing coding and logic skills, but also my English and soft skills as well. I have put these skills to work in a mobile app that solves a catastrophic problem in our country, which is the massive garbage. What I am brought to the table is not just a mobile app, but a comprehensive framework for effective waste management that solves this problem from its roots. People are the major element usually in solving community problems in general, and in particular the garbage problem. My framework is based on encouraging people to sort their trash by rewarding them. So every time a person sorts his trash, he will get points, and these points will make him eligible for a reward. It could be a hiking trip, some amount of money, and so on. This project idea could bring many benefits if we apply it and put it to work in Lebanon. For example, it will help in eliminating bacterial contamination, decrease pollution rate in Lebanon, and help the government in making recycling much easier. So this idea has potential and can be applied on a large scale. Technologies that I have used in this project are React Native for the front end, Node.js for the back end, MySQL for the database, Vertable for database schema, and Trello for organizing my work. At the end, I would like to say the following final quote. Working on this project was easy peasy lemon squeezy. In this presentation, I'm going to show you 3 demos. One which is the mobile app, and the other one is for the admin panel, and a small web app that just introduces what is the goal of my mobile app. So first, I will start with my mobile app. Here you go. You have the splash screen that leads you to the registration or login. So if you choose the registration, you will put your username, email, and password. And here you go. Okay, when you sign up, it will lead you to the home page, the home screen, and you have also the notification screen that will show you if there is any notification. And here the profile, there's the profile image, username, and password. So you can just change your photo. Okay, now I changed the photo. And you have a calendar that shows if you have upcoming events. So this is the web version of my app. From it you can download actually the mobile app, and you will see our mission and who we are. At the end, I would thank you for listening to this presentation.